Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency, JD Property Agents, and I believe that this is a great opportunity for someone to own a rental property which they can rent as university accommodation, or for someone looking to redevelop this huge land parcel which is over 1,800 square metres and has a frontage of over 18 metres, which is truly rare. So come on with me and let me show you 22 Dallas Street, Keiraville. This surprise package is brick, has 3 bedrooms and scope to update the kitchen and bathroom. Situated in the perfect location, the university is literally just around the corner. You also have Keiraville village shops just a few metres away, and you will really enjoy the atmosphere of this boutique community which provides beautiful cafes and one of my favourite giftware shops. So as you can see, you have a wonderful opportunity here. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you at one of my opens, and bye for now.